Cyclones, wind shear, violent storms churn in Jupiter's atmosphere. The largest and nearest of the giant outer planets, Jupiter's colorful clouds present an ever-changing kaleidoscope of shapes and colors. This is a planet where there is always stormy weather, cyclones, anticyclones, wind shear, and the largest storm in the solar system, the Great Red Spot. Jupiter has no solid surface and is perpetually covered with largely ammonia ice crystal clouds that are only about 30 miles thick in an atmosphere that's tens of thousands of miles deep and give the planet its banded appearance. The bands are produced by air flowing in different directions at various latitudes, with speeds approaching 350 miles per hour. Lighter-hued areas where the atmosphere rises are called zones. Darker regions where air falls are called belts. When these opposing flows interact, storms and turbulence appear. Hubble tracks these dynamic changes every year with unprecedented clarity, and there are always new surprises. The many large storms and small white clouds seen in Hubble's latest images are evidence for a lot of activity going on in Jupiter's atmosphere right now. Hubble Space Telescope tracks Jupiter's stormy weather. The giant planet Jupiter, in all its banded glory, is revisited by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope in these latest images, taken on January 5 to 6, 2024, capturing both sides of the planet. Hubble monitors Jupiter and the other outer solar system planets every year under the Outer Planet Atmosphere's Legacy Program, OPAL. This is because these large worlds are shrouded in clouds and hazes stirred up by violent winds, causing a kaleidoscope of ever-changing weather patterns. Big enough to swallow Earth, the classic Great Red Spot stands out prominently in Jupiter's atmosphere. To its lower right, at a more southerly latitude, is a feature sometimes dubbed Red Spot Jr. This anticyclone was the result of storms merging in 1998 and 2000, and it first appeared red in 2006 before returning to a pale beige in subsequent years. This year it is somewhat redder again. The source of the red coloration is unknown, but may involve a range of chemical compounds, sulfur, phosphorus, or organic material. Staying in their lanes but moving in opposite directions, Red Spot Jr. passes the Great Red Spot about every 2 years. Another small red anticyclone appears in the far north. Storm activity also appears in the opposite hemisphere. A pair of storms, a deep red cyclone and a reddish anticyclone, appear next to each other at right of center. They look so red that at first glance it looks like Jupiter skinned a knee. These storms are rotating in opposite directions, indicating an alternating pattern of high and low pressure systems. For the cyclone, there's an upwelling on the edges, with clouds descending in the middle, causing a clearing in the atmospheric haze.